Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Sheikh Wasalan.
And I'm Muhammad Shakir.
We are from LO4 from Group 1 here to present about our mini project video about Panadol vending machine. And to start with the program, we are using #include SDIO and we are using function. There are tons of functions like void display header, void get pass, integer display menu, float get medic, void display company, and etc.
Then we go to the integer main. We use system color to make the word have a green color. Then we use a display header and get pass. First, the function we go to display header. Our display header, just simple as that. Just welcome to the Gombak Wholesale Sdn Bhd. After he show, then he will pass. Then he go back to the get password. Add the float get password. Add the float get pass. The function will ask for your password. So if your password is correct, then we go to display menu. If wrong, then we have to re-enter the password again. If your password correct, they go to the display menu where they display the content like transaction page, company profile, product detail, about us, and cancel or exit. After we choose, for example, transaction page, it will go to the case 1 get medic. Get medic will jump to the float get medic where you can buy a different bunch of medicine. Panadol light, Panadol menstrual, Panadol regular, Panadol extend, Panaflex pain relief patch. After we choose what Panadol we want, then it will ask for a amount that we need, then the money. The amount we given, it will calculate to give the total price like this formula: total price multiplied by Z. Z is the amount that we will enter, and the balance is the amount of money we enter. We subtract with the total amount. Then the program will calculate if the amount of money is insufficient. It will say sorry, insufficient amount of money, where you have to rebuy again, or if correct, they will print out the receipt. The other it's same after you choose a different Panadol. So if you choose company profile at the menu, it will show our company detail, like our name, our company name, company registration number, medicine supplier, and our address, so the customer can have a contact if any problem.
And for number 4, we have about us. About us is about the programmer itself, which means it's about me and Shahir. And in about us, we can have our full name, our ID number, our contact number, our emails, and these are for when the program have any problems, the customer can contact us. Then it will display. Go to void display footer. Void display footer is a last page which the customer want to exit or have done buying the Panadol. Then it will say thank you for using our service. Then we will run the program. If you run the program, I will show welcome to Gombak Wholesale and press any key to continue. If you press any key to continue, you will ask the password. If the password is incorrect, it will show wrong password, re-enter the password. If the password are correct, it will show transaction page, company profile, product details, about us, and 5 is for cancel or exit. If the customer want to buy the Panadol, you choose 1. Then if he has choose the type of Panadol, and how much do you need. If the amount of money is insufficient, it will show it will show this, then you're gonna have to rebuy. If the money given is correct, then it will show the receipt page. If you press anything to continue, it will ask rebuy, go to menu, or exit. If the customer want to rebuy, it will press A. If they want to go to menu, B, exit C. And if we press B, it will go to menu. Then if the customer want to know more about the company, it will press 2, and it will show the company news, workforce, company overview, and the registration number, name, and many more. Then if you want to continue, press Y. If you want to exit, press N. Then the product details. Product details will show about each product, which has a summary of the product and the direction, the active ingredients. Then if you want to continue, press Y. If you want to exit, press N. Number 4, it will show about us. Then as I said, it will show about the programmer. If you press N, it say thank you for using our service. Then thank you for listening to our video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.